Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. Today, I will briefly explain you the A reading of Unit 3. Swami is expelled from school. So, the Unit 3, the theme is school life. The theme of the Unit 3 is school life. And the Unit A reading, Unit 3 A reading is Swami is expelled from school. So, the word expelled, the meaning is sent out. Officially sending somebody out, releasing, etc. is the meaning of expel. So, he was sent out. So, expelled, past tense is used here. Swami is expelled from the school. So, school life. So, let us see about the school life theme. So, school life is the really happy moment of any person's life. So, this is the childhood of a person. He or she spends this childhood mainly in school. So, this is one of the happiest days, wonderful days in a person's life. So, a child can live happily without much worries and tensions about his personal life, because he has or she has their parents to look after them, to take care of everything. So, almost all, I can't say all, almost all children will be leading a happy life during their schooling days. So, school life is really a happy moment. For me, my school days are really sweet moments. So, when an elderly person, when he or she recollects about his school days, it will be a sweet memory about those days, how they lived, how they mingled with their classmates and friends, the naughty incidents, the funny incidents, the punishments they got from teachers, the punishment they got from the parents, and so on. So, it will be really interesting time for a child, that is the schooling days. So, here the Swami, he was sent out of school. So, being a good child, nobody will be sent out. So, you can imagine what kind of person Swami could be, because he was sent out from the school. So, Swami was a naughty boy. So, this Swami expelled from school, this story is written by R.K. Narayan, one of the famous writers in English in India, R.K. Narayan. So, he wrote a book, novel by name Swami and Friends. So, this part what you are reading in your A reading is only an extract from that story, Swami and Friends. It's about Swami, a child called Swami, and about his friends. It's a novel. From that novel, a part is taken. It is given as a lesson for you. A reading, Swami is expelled from school. So, here the writer explains about the nature or the character of the boy by name Swami, and about his friends, who were his close friends. So, those friends and Swami, they used to be absent from the class without any proper reason. So, one day, Swami and his friends, they were absent from the class, and they were roaming around. They came near the school, and they even broke the window pane of HM's room, the window glass of HM's room. It was seen by the attender of the school, and he is only one witness of this incident, that Swami and his friends, they threw stone at the window pane and broke it. The next day, when Swami and his friends were present at the school, the headmaster comes to the class with a stick, a cane, and a very angry mood. And he questions Swami and his friends for being absent the previous day. So, they cooked many stories, they made many stories to get an excuse for being absent. So, at present, if you are absent, you have to bring leave letter from your parent, you have to show to a class teacher or HM, they have to sign it. If they got any doubt regarding the reason, they may call the parent and find out the reason for being absent, and so on. But those days, the systems were not there. Sending leave letter, bringing parents, they were not there. So, children, they have their own freedom to escape from the class and to do any naughty things. So, here Swami and his friends also were doing same way. So, here the headmaster questioned Swami and his friends. he asked him to stand up. He was not satisfied with the answers given by Swami and his friends, so he asked them to climb onto the bench and he punished them very severely. And finally, it was the turn of Swami. So when the headmaster questioned, Swami was not giving any proper answer, reply to the headmaster. So the headmaster got more angry and he started beating on the shoulders and hands of Swami, which made Swami very painful, and he lost his control and he said, "I don't care the school," and by saying that he went out of the school. So this is the story given here. So this is an excellent example how a student can be indisciplined in his school life. So I know all of you are good children, good students, you all are disciplined, you are coming to school regularly, attending classes, now you are attending online classes regularly, not missing any class. Okay, of course, due to some health problem, you may not be attending classes, or due to some technical issues like signal issues like signal problems, you can attend the online classes. Otherwise, you are attending classes regularly. So I know that you are all good students. You are not like Swami. But here Swami was a naughty boy. He tried to escape from the classes. Not only Swami, his friends also. So as you know, in a classroom, we can find different groups. In a group, there will be good students, in the sense those who are studious. Other group will be average. They will be always making trouble in the class by talking and chatting with others, disturbing the class, commenting the students, commenting the teachers and so on. So they never knew that they are spoiling their own life, like Swami. So I am not supporting the corporal punishment given by headmaster, but the way Swami and his friends behaved made the headmaster so serious, so angry, that made him to punish Swami and his friends like anything. So here Swami and his friends behaved very bad way, or we can say very naughty way, that made the headmaster to be very angry and punish them. And he calls the attender, who was the only one witness of the incident, that is breaking of the window pane or the glass of the window by Swami and his friends. So they never admitted they have thrown stones, or they made many stories to prove that they were absent because of one other reason. So this all made the headmaster more and more angry. So my suggestion to you, don't lie, never lie. You should say the truth. Okay, when you say one lie, you have to go another lie to cover this first one, and you have to go for many lies, and finally we have to say truth. So never lie, you always say truth. Okay, the lies never take us to the success, it will always make us in trouble only. So always be truthful, be faithful to the profession, to the work what you do. Okay, so this is the summary of this lesson. Swami's life, what kind of person he was, what kind of individual he was, how we have to be in our life, what we should do as a student, as a good individual, what we should not do as a good individual or a student. These are the points shared by the writer R.K. Narayan through this extract of the story Swami and his friends, and we are reading it as Swami is expelled from school. So that's all for the day. I wish you a happy day. Stay safe. Thank you.